Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos in your air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite tortilla chips, shredded cheese, and any toppings you desire. Next, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking and perfectly melted cheese. Finally, line your air fryer basket with a small piece of parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Let's get cooking. Now, let's start building those nachos. Carefully arrange a single layer of tortilla chips on the parchment paper in your air fryer basket. Don't overcrowd them. We want crispy chips. Next, sprinkle approximately 1/4 cup of your shredded cheese evenly over the chips. If you're adding cooked meat or beans, now is the time to add a small amount. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese is bubbly. After the first cook, it's time to add more layers and fresh toppings. Add another layer of chips, more cheese, and any other toppings you love, like sliced jalapenos, diced tomatoes, or black olives. Remember, don't overload the basket. Return the basket to the air fryer and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cheese is fully melted and bubbly and the chips are golden brown. Keep a close eye on them. Once your nachos are perfectly melted and crispy, carefully remove them from the air fryer basket. Transfer them to a plate and add your final garnishes, such as a dollop of sour cream, a scoop of fresh guacamole, or a sprinkle of chopped cilantro. These air fryer nachos are a quick and delicious snack or meal. Enjoy your homemade creation. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.